We are
Nat,
Joey,
Angel,
Carly,
Catherine.
and I'm Bella. And as many of you know, the COVID-19 pandemic has taken its toll on people all over the world, including those in our own communities.
They have been disproportionately affected by this deadly coronavirus, as many others have been around the world, in areas that may not have had a lot of help in combating this virus.
Now, Arizona has been named one of the nation's hotspots for COVID-19.
our target community, and as of right now the most vulnerable to COVID-19, is the San Carlos Apache tribe, as well as other Native American tribes in Arizona.
We are a group of high school students from Xavier College Preparatory in Arizona who want to help protect our community and its residents by helping to create instructional videos while also providing the most vulnerable in our community with effective, washable, and useful masks that implement common household items.
As members of Xavier's Engineering Projects and Community Service, we're here to serve our community. Please let us know if you have any questions or things that you'd like us to address regarding masks. We hope that our website and channel can be resourceful tools that our community can use for mask maintenance and construction.